This is Scott Bauer on the floor of the CME Group, and coming to the end of the Friday here of a wild week in the markets with lots of volatility. Why should this day be any different? We saw the market down. Dow was down about 150, 160 points this morning. S&P's down almost 20 points, and intraday here, lots of reversals back and forth, winding up into the end of the day on the plus side. Never in my 30 years in this business have I seen the market have to react to such headline risk, not just for one event or another, but just multiple events that at any point, at any time during the day, over the weekend, can affect this marketplace. Today, it was all about President Trump and talking about China tariffs, and that maybe we can get to a trade deal. That is really what swung the market around today. But other than that, some of the other notable things we have just with headline risk that can really affect this market. We have Brexit. We also have on everyone's mind is the Fed and interest rates. So we're at a very sensitive, volatile time in the marketplace right now where we can just react on a dime. Now, what happened yesterday? ES options, busy day, about 800,000 options traded here at the CME, 65% of them put options. Very mixed across the board though. In fact, leading the volume was out to December, and we've seen a lot of December call buying, but now all of a sudden we've got the December 2600 puts yesterday, traded about 11,000 contracts. Closer in, options expiring this week, so the EOM EW3 options. We had the 2650 puts, trade about 11,000 contracts, and on the upside, both the 2725 and 2750 calls traded about 10,000 contracts. Very split there, lots of volatility. With this volatility in the marketplace, ES options expecting a move to next Friday, post-Thanksgiving, of about $45 from where we are right now. Let's talk about Bitcoin really quickly. Wow, what a sell-off this week. What happened? What caused this sell-off? Well, a lot of people are saying it was due to the Bitcoin Cash fork or split. What does that do? Well, it just adds uncertainty to the marketplace. So this sell-off to me was really based on a lot of uncertainty. We made new yearly lows here, trading all the way down to about 5,100. We're currently at about 5,600 right now. It'll be real interesting to see what happens between now and the next 6 weeks, end of the year with Bitcoin futures. Scott Bauer on the floor of the CME Group.